All right, first YouTube video, official YouTube video. I'm gonna be taking this engine apart. We're gonna see if we can get it working again. Got my buddy Nathan here.
What's up, bro?
This is how we're gonna get to 1,000 subscribers. This right here. First, we gotta. What we looking at?
Looking at our time machine right now. Thing ain't right.
All right.
You stop eventually. Here we go. Get off of there, bitch. I was trying to remember which way that was facing. It was facing that way. Now, if I was to... Now this thing should possibly turn over free.
In trouble.
It appears we are. Oh, nope, we ain't. See, I was hitting the exhaust valve. There, so right there is top to the center. Alright. Now, that's on mark, so we need to get this back into there like that. Scratch is right. Mark is right. Get two bolts on here. Make sure this is timed right now.
Screwdriver's still in there, by the way.
Oh yeah, that's probably why. Ow. Yeah, there we go. Or maybe not.
Try to record this part.
I think I'm already recording. Yep, there we go.
So she's turning over.
Yep, I think it's timed right now. That thing's still blinking?
Yeah.
Alright, yeah. Feels good in there. That cam's, all your rockers and shit are tight, so that's good.
I need to find one real quick.
There's not one on any of the motors or somewhere up there?
Give me a second. There's one on this one.
Yeah, that'll work.
Got her somewhat cleaned out. Oh, yeah, clean this.
So yeah, this right here is your kill switch. I know that. You want to make it turn off, you just touch them two together. Yeah, you can see all the wiring and stuff. There's your kill switch right there. Yeah. Shit's gray even over here.
I got this film
Oh
from
shit.
my matches.
Huh?
I got this film from my matches.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm doing great. Are you recording?
Yeah, I was just
Alright, we got the timing right, and then we got a
homemade spark plug.
we got that too, and we got a kickstand, or not kickstand,
Kickstarter.
little kickstart on here. Doesn't quite fit, but
It works.
it works. It'll be fine. We're about to kick it a couple times, see if this thing will get working.
Alright.
Holy shit, dude. It's like a wide string. Uh-oh. Do it again. Go.
Hell! Oh, it broke!
It broke?
The return broke. Oh no.
Oh my god, dude.
Oh, it's done.
It's done?
It's done. Yeah, dude. Let me see if I can.
This isn't funny, dude.
Hey, look, get that away from there. Right, dude. Right, look, go juice in there.
freaking bite on my face.
Dude, it's like,
Get on the other side, Gray.
Okay.
God, I got wires everywhere. Kind of have to get caught up in them.
Alright, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, dude. It's covered.
I got fucking wires and shit all in my feet.
Yeah, the wires are really annoying. This thing runs, I think.
Ooh! It lives.
It lives, dude. It lives.
We need that's
Proof enough.
enough. That's proof. It lives.
It's worked out. Good.
I can get carburetor and
Stop it. Stop. Alright, we just had this start a second ago. It ran for a minute. Let's see if we can get it going again. That's proof enough, I think. Oh yeah.
Hey, that's perfect.
Yes, sir.
It's a runner.